Hey, where is it? I got you a gift. Look at that. Stunning. This was supposed to be for Shelby and she never showed up. Good morning. I have a new camera set up. It's like extremely big. We are going to Universal today. By the way, we have matching shirts. We bought these last year and never wore them. I think I wore it like once, so. We already did Hulk, and what are we gonna do now? Pick something.
Velocicoaster?
Okay, let's go into it. You ready? Are we gonna get wet today?
Define wet.
Oh? Oh? We made it into Within World.
I'm crashing and dying.
80-minute wait for this ride. Chocolate fruit. Okay, I'm gonna get candy. There you go. See, I got my own camera, girl. Oh, these are like Harry Potter candy. Is there? I'm gonna get more of these.
Candy.
Not me covering you. How much did you pay?
$14. But it's for candy.
Isn't this Dumbledore's favorite candy? It's not sour. I thought it was gonna be sour. This is a fussy thing. Is this sour too? Let me tell you something, this Wizarding World candy, it's not great.
Pumpkin juice. It's my first time trying it. At first it's okay, and then I really get the pumpkin. I don't know if I like it.
It's a yes or a no?
It's a eh. Like I'll drink it, but I won't buy it again. I just wanted this souvenir cup, so.
Yes, okay, we're gonna hop to Universal Studios. How are you feeling?
Tired.
Hungry?
Yeah.
All of the above, okay.
Yeah.
We made it to Universal. We're gonna go into Minion's Land. Haven't seen it since they opened dates. Are we gonna eat there?
The food doesn't seem appetizing, but we'll see.
Points, which can also help raise your score.
What? Not gonna lie, I'm already confused.
Christine said she wanted Girl, if you thought like the Spider-Man at Disneyland was difficult, it's heavy. Oh, girl, it was a lot. We're at Minion's Cafe. I haven't been here. We have to do everything through the mobile app. That's so cute.